flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
Said I'm again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from home.
What are you doing with those, bro?
So this is for after, bro. We're gonna do with W bar. We're gonna do biceps curl with resistance bands. I will show you these guys. It's gonna be sick, like fucking sick. This exercise is sick because when you work, your muscle is always under tension because of the resistance bands, you know. So when you go, it's like it's always go harder and harder and harder, and when you go down, you keep like slowly, and you will feel it's insane.
So you keep the tension the whole way.
Yeah, and you work more muscle fiber on inside. It's fucking insane. I'll show you.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
Okay, so this exercise is the reverse spider curl. It's the best exercise if you want to isolate the biceps. I will show you why, you will directly understand. Okay. So you here, not like this is cheating. So elbow in the front and here. Until the forehead. Okay. Control the weight. It's not good. Yeah. Always control the weight, focus on the quality, the movement. It's not good if you want to put heavy weights and you sacrifice the quality of the work, you know? So keep always the focus on the quality. And if it's too easy, then increase the weight, but don't increase the weight first. Perfect. Elbow in the front. Yes, like this. Okay, here you go. Keep the elbow in the front. Always. Like when you go down, you keep this in the front. Never go back. Okay, let's go.
Yo, give it a stage in a minute, I'ma eat you. El profesor is in the house, let me teach you. I could defeat you with two hands tied and have you waking in the hospital like, who am I? And who are you? Who are they? What is this? You wouldn't believe how someone react to this shit. The mind slips, and speaking in time.
So we're pretty much on the second exercise, but I am winded. He's so fresh. You know, I'm kind of excited about this protein shake.
It's gonna be the best.
I mean, for real though, like I have protein shakes all over the world, but the ones that you made, I don't know, man. Something special. Maybe it's just some love in there that you're sparkling.
I put my love inside.
A little love in there.
Some love, always.
What's next, bro? Okay, it's gonna be heavy, bro.
So here, I'm gonna put this here. It's just to have the arm stable.
So your arm don't go backwards.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So I put here, not here.
Okay.
Here. Just
above
behind
your
the elbow.
elbow.
Exactly. And I'm here. Okay. Stretch completely. It's important to get until the end, so you work the full range of the movement, and then you go here. Okay, let's go 12. Okay, here you go. Okay, full range of movement, and at the end, okay. Yes. It's not looking good.
You know why that happened? When people cut and they don't look right?
Yeah.
Why do you think that is? Because they're not working the muscle properly?
Exactly, 100%. Yeah, of course. You need to work like negative, concentric, eccentric, with 3-second rest. There's so many techniques. You have to try every single thing. You have to work in all the way, all different angles. So then you build like a proper, like complete muscle. You have this maturity muscular, and when you cut, you see all the fibers, definitions, everything.
Like your
which
body right now?
Not now, I'm not cut now, bro.
And all the micro muscles too, right?
Yeah. You see, like, many guys, they will be like, train like this, but better you go.
You're cheating yourself, right?
It's all about the sensation. I feel here, I feel here, I feel here, inside. It's all about brain connections, muscle connection, bro. This is all you need, I feel every single part of the biceps working crazy now. Everything is under tension. That's what I want, you know, that's what I need. You know, because when people, they want to build muscle, they want to build volumes, they just think about become big. But I don't think about the quality, you know, about
The quality of the muscle.
the quality, the symmetry, yeah, all these kind of things is what makes you look aesthetics, looks good. So when you work, for example, like every single person is different. You know, some people have short biceps, long biceps, wide, you know. So all these kind of things, you can improve them, but you need to work. And you need to work the right
No
way.
shortcuts, right?
There's no shortcut.
Only in Canggu.
brand new shortcut. Okay, so now last one, we're gonna do biceps killer. So what is wrong with
It's
the
called biceps.
I try to keep my arms in the video, but you always go up. No, so now last one, we're gonna do biceps killer, so biceps finisher. This one is fucking sick. It's the 21st biceps. I will show you. So 777. You know this one?
Yeah, but hold on a second. What about if it's already dead? The biceps.
Bro, you can die 2 times, you know? It's
I'm
like
a
cat.
cat.
Exactly. If you go to the gym, you have to be a cat, bro. I can kill you 9 times. That's it. After 9 times, you can go home.
So we gotta do biceps killer.
Biceps killer.
Okay, let's see, bro. Oh.
So 7 halfway, then 7 up, and 7 full range of movement.
Okay.
So I show you now. Okay. 1, 2. And now 7 full. This is why we call this biceps killer, bro.
You know I'm not taking that much weight, right?
Your turn.
So we just finished biceps.
Yeah.
Not that he needs anymore, but
No triceps now.
now we're gonna move on to triceps. And by the way, I mean, this guy right here that you see, this is the 3rd time that he's training today. Oh yeah, sorry, I spilled a secret.
Well, actually, that's not good. Don't do this.
Yeah.
Actually, that's not good.
So he's working out for me, and I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you big time. Thank you.
Yeah, don't neglect your rest, guy. You need to sleep, because I'm gonna say it one more time, but you build muscle when you sleep, not when you train. When you train, you break down. You break all the muscle fiber. So you're not building muscle actually. You just like fuck your muscle. And when you sleep, you recover, and then you build the muscle tissue to recover. You know. So this is how you build the muscle.
You spilled the beans, bro. You telling the truth.
So yeah, sleep, guys.
Duck, duck, goose found a pussy in a dollar bin. Guess you forgot your galana bin. Can't get loose, get your guts, got your tongue again. Rope burn on your hand, are you numb yet? I can go with a drip medication. Late at night, I can deal with it. Every night, I can make it.
How does that feel, bro?
Always amazing. If it's not amazing, then you have to change something.
What are you working right there with this
I
exercise?
work the long head of the triceps, so that's the biggest part of the triceps. So. Okay, so this exercise, overhead, all the overhead exercise is to work the long head of the triceps. So that's the biggest part of the triceps. So this exercise is just sick because you isolate with all the overhead. So overhead with cables, with barbells, with dumbbells, or with cables. It's all the same. It's all the same movements, and it's only to work the long head of the tricep, which is the most important.
Boom. When you look serious like that, you concerns me.
Yeah?
When you look too serious, I get worried.
Okay. I'm just thinking of how can I kill your triceps, you know?
More?
Yeah. Okay,
All right, let's do it.
we go for the cable rope. So this one is a basic. Everybody know this one. No need to explain, I think. It's just all about the movement.
We're doing the whole thing, bro. Like, here's the whole thing. Here's the whole thing. Holy shit. People are not eating because of that.
Exactly. People that they listen their brain, they don't listen their body. It's completely two different things, you know. The brain's always crave for sweet. He always wants
Dopamine,
Yeah, he will
dopamine.
always tell you, "Fuck, I'm hungry." Oh, when he sees sweet, oh, this, I want this, you know, because he's addicted to sweet. But this is not addicted to sweet.
Can you show what you're talking about? Bro?
Yeah, the intestine.
What
You
is
know,
it
all
you're
this
talking
is the
about,
second
bro?
brain.
Yeah.
This is the second brain of the body, you know. So this will tell you how to eat only when you need to eat, not when you see something that looks beautiful, because this part of the body you don't have
Why are you
eyes.
so shredded, bro? Like,
So yeah, it's very important to see and feel the difference between sweet craving and between being hungry. And this is gonna completely improve also your way how you diet, how you manage your diets and everything.
bro, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. I fucking love you, bro. For real. Thank you so much for helping me today.
Of course,
I know,
my
like,
pleasure,
you're
bro.
tired already, you know what I mean? Like, third workout. I appreciate it, bro. So much love. Look at that. Thank you, man.
Thank you, bro.
I love you.
Let's go enjoy the protein shake now.
Oh, yeah. You know, I came here for, like, it's a nice little workout, get the blood flowing. This dude is crushing me.
That's the
Are they
best,
both
bro.
the same flavor, bro?
Yes, it's the same. I did it all together.
So, what's the flavor?
Chocolate peanut butter cups with soy milk. It's gonna taste. This tastes amazing. But let's try.
We gotta try this thing. How much protein is in this thing?
In the 2 glass, 50 grams.
How much protein do you
50.
intake every day?
260 grams per day.
260 grams of protein.
I'm 2.7 grams of protein per kilo.
270 grams of protein a day.
Yeah. It's about 1 kilo of chicken per day.
1 kilo of chicken a day.
Yeah.
So you pretty much just might as well just take the feathers and eat the whole chicken. You might just get the chicken, pull the feathers, and just eat the chicken. Like, that's insane. Another beautiful day. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.